Hey, thanks for clicking that link and watching this video. In this video, we're going to show you some simple, cheap Amazon items that'll make your cruise cabin feel a little bit more like home. You know, cruising's awesome, but it just seems like the cabin sometimes is lacking a little bit of this or a little bit of that. And the things that we'll show you here make it go smoother and easier.
Just like how to get this bad boy home without it breaking in your luggage.
Yeah, you want to get it home and drink it. You don't want to get it home and wear it. So in the video, we'll put some links in the description that you can get to the different items that we're going to show you. So as you're getting ready for your cruise, you're probably jumping through the internet looking for all kinds of different things. And you know, Amazon seems like they have everything from A to Z. And we did a bunch of shopping on Amazon for our first cruise, and honestly for
every cruise.
And we found some stuff that we think might help you. It certainly helped us. We've used them pretty much every cruise we've been on. I think one of the simplest little things we bought is this little travel mirror. Obviously, I use it far more than you know, somebody else in the room, but it comes with a little suction cup. You just stick it on the wall in the shower, and then you just use the heat from the shower to just get it warm so it won't fog up. I've taken it all over the country. I've had this one, gosh, I probably had this for 5 years, 6 years, and for $12, man, it's really, really worth it. It's super handy.
I actually have used it just to make sure I got all of my makeup off of my face.
Oh, in the shower? Well,
you know, eye makeup, yeah.
Yeah, well, it's just a handy little tool. Another thing that's fantastic to have on the ship is these little travel magnets.
Travel magnets with a hook.
Yeah, they got a little hook, which is fantastic. Though the hook comes off, it spins off. We just really like them. Everything on the ship's made of metal.
And they come with different size hooks too.
There's different size hooks. There's actually different like weight. You can buy these for, again, like maybe $8. But they have some that'll hold 30 pounds, some that'll hold 50 pounds. I mean, I guess it just depends on what, you know, how much stuff you think you're gonna be hanging on the wall. If you think you're gonna be doing chin-ups, you might need a bigger one. I don't know. But the ceilings are metal. We've used them to hang just all kinds of stuff.
Hats, our lanyards.
You know, it's just there's such limited space for storage, and to be able to just stick something to the wall and get it out of the way just makes it so easy. So these are, I mean, they stick together. They're hard to get apart. So they really work well. We really like them.
Well, my favorite purchase that we've gotten so far from Amazon would be the portable USB fan. It is my saving grace at night because I tend to get hot flashes sometimes. I'm just always warm. I'm always warm when we sleep. But the cool thing about this is the hooks that we just showed you, the magnet hooks.
They can go right on.
Yeah, and you can use 2 or 3 depending on, you know, sometimes we use 2, sometimes you need 3. On the Mardi Gras, we didn't need any because it literally hooked onto the headboard. Like they had a little lip there, so. Yeah,
the way the bed was made on that ship, we were able to just kind of hook it in there, and we didn't have any problems with it. But every other cruise we've been on, we've had to use the magnets and just stick them on the wall, and it just works great. You charge it through the day and get about 8 hours on the high level. So it comes with the cord, and it's got a USB plug on the one side, and then it's got the plug that goes into the fan, and it works great. So I think one of my favorite purchases that we've made in our travels, has not been this, but rather this wine or whatever, you know, bottle protector. And you end up in all these different ports on a cruise in different places, and you can find, you know, different unique things.
Well, this too is something you like to get as a souvenir.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
So, you know, instead of just getting a magnet everywhere you go.
So the nice thing about this is, you know, when you open them up, you can pop that open, you slide your bottle right into it, and then it's got 2 little Ziploc seals. And then when you fold this over, I mean, if that thing comes open, it's all going to stay inside. You could probably still drink it, but the good news is, the good news is it's not going to get on all your clothes. You're not going to wear it home. You know,
it's not going to ruin anything that you have inside your suitcase. So yeah.
So yeah, it's fantastic. Hey folks, if this video is helping you out, would you please like the video, maybe subscribe to our page and hit the notification button so you don't miss any videos that we make?
Because it really does help out our page.
You know, so one thing that's helped us out too, and we found makes things easier, is we ordered these like plastic luggage tags with a little Ziploc in them. You know, when you get your final documentation and you print out your luggage tags, they just come out printed on whatever paper, you know, whatever paper that you printed them on, and they want you to fold them up and then, you know, staple them to the luggage.
Yeah, and having them in these, it protects them from ripping off, getting wet, you know, anything like that.
Yeah.
And you can find them they come in like packs of 5, but there's lots of different kinds out there. And sometimes you can find them in a bundle with other supplies for travel and stuff, so.
And finally, I think one of the most important things that we bought for any of our cruises, the only time we didn't need it was on Mardi Gras.
Yeah.
But aside from that, and even on Mardi Gras, we had it and it was handy, is this little cruise-on USB outlet extender. And it's just got 2 little USB ports in it, and you plug into it and it works so great.
It really helped with like hair dryer, straightener,
Yeah.
phone charger, like,
Yeah.
you know, on the other boats.
Maybe not all at the same time.
No, but if, yeah.
So we hope that this has helped you out a little bit. We've used these things on every cruise we've been on, and we're always looking for, you know, something to make life better on a cruise ship.
Yeah. We actually keep them in a shoebox in our bedroom on a shelf.
Yeah.
It actually started out as a smaller box. I don't even remember what it was for, but now it has grown into one of our son's 13 size gym shoe boxes because it keeps growing.
Yeah.
We keep adding to it. But.
That's actually a great tip too, is get a shoe box or some sort of box, throw it in your closet, and as you collect these things, just throw them in there, and when you're ready to go on a cruise, hey, you know, you just grab that and put it in there. So listen, if you've made any cool purchases, yeah, please list those off in the comments. It would help us too. You know, we'll add to that little shoebox we got. So, you know, thank you for watching the video, and please, you know, like and subscribe to the channel. So have a great day.